इंग्लिश स्पोकन क्लास का यह 7वां दिवस है, 7th डे। हम लोग 7वें दिन का यह तृतीय सत्र, जिसमें आप सभी का स्वागत है। निश्चित रूप से ये साधना का समय है। माँ भगवती विराजित हैं और उड़ीसा, बंगाल और यहाँ पर माँ भगवती की काफी साधना का काल है, पर इसके बाद भी सारे कार्यकर्ता यहाँ जुड़े हुए हैं और यह भी ज्ञान साधना के उसमें हम लोग आनंद ले रहे हैं पूरे सत्रों का। आप सभी का स्वागत है। और हमारे इस सत्र के मास्टर ट्रेनर आदरणीय सांबा शिवा राव जी भाई साहब भी हम लोगों के बीच में उपस्थित हैं, उनका हृदय से स्वागत करता हूँ। बाकी सब कार्यकर्ता भी यहाँ पर जुड़े हुए हैं। अभी हम पहले एक स्टोरी सुनेंगे। स्टोरी सुनने के बाद फिर हम सत्र को विधिवत प्रारंभ करेंगे। इस स्टोरी में जो भी अच्छे वर्ड्स हमें ध्यान में आते तो उसके अर्थ सहित हमने चैट बॉक्स में डालते भी जाएंगे। अर्षिता,
Good evening, everybody. There was a poor boy. In his family, there were two other members, his mother and his younger sister. His sister was ill. He was going to his uncle to inform him that his sister needed the doctor's treatment. On the way, he found a purse containing 120 rupees. The boy was very honest. He determined that he would discover the owner of the purse and would hand over his purse to him. He told this incident to his mother and said, "Mother, the gentleman who lost this purse must be worried because it contains money. If we have this money, he'll incur a deadly sin and God will be displeased with us. But the problem is how to find out the owner of this money. Please tell me how I should discover him." His mother was also very honest. Having listened to her, she was very much pleased. She said, "My son, may God make your resolve firm and may you be blessed. If the news is published in a newspaper, then owner of the money will come and take his purse back." The boy went to a printing press where the newspaper was published. The owner of the newspaper published the news, seeing the honesty of the boy. The advertisement was, "I found a purse containing 120 rupees. The owner is requested to take the money by coming to such and such place after giving proof." Having read the advertisement, the owner of the purse came there and he was wonderstruck to see that the boy, in spite of his party, was honest. The owner of the purse said, "He who, in spite of being poor, is not tempted to be greedy for money is really honest and praiseworthy. In fact, only poor people are so honest. The rich people, in spite of having enough money, out of greed for money, become dishonest. You are blessed that you, having faith in God, remained firm in your resolve of truth." Having said so, the gentleman gave that money insistingly to the boy for the medical treatment and medicines for his younger sister and employed the boy under him. The boy in future, because of his honesty, became a reputed and rich businessman. Thank you.
थैंक यू अर्षिता। हमने स्टोरी सुनी और एक होमवर्क क्या, एक क्लास वर्क दिया था कि इसमें कोई अच्छे वर्ड्स हमें ध्यान में आए हों तो हम उसको लिखें, उसके अर्थ भी हमें कुछ ध्यान में आते हैं। तो अभी तक तो एक भी नहीं लिखे हैं। क्या सब है यहाँ? सावधान, अगर नहीं है तो यस यस यस, देवी शंकर जी ने लिखा है, यस समृद्धि जैन जी ने, ओके ओके समृद्धि जी, ओके देवी शंकर जी, ओके ऑनेस्ट, ऑनर समृद्धि जी। अच्छा, दो ही हैं इस समय समृद्धि जी एंटरटेनमेंट, ओके हाँ हाँ। अरे बाकी कहाँ हैं भाई, सब यही है कि नहीं? यस यस, वो ये वीडियो ऑफ करने का अर्थ ये नहीं है कि हाँ सोनू जी, अप्लाइड इलनेस, ओके ठीक है। ओके, स्टोरी टेलिंग के पीछे उद्देश्य ये है कि हम उनको सुन के, हॉनेस्ट द बेस्ट पॉलिसी, राजश्री जी लिख रहे रेडी हॉनेस्ट, ओके, राम नारायण जी वही, यस सोनू जी बिजनेसमैन, ठीक है। और कोई हटकर कोई वर्ड्स, ध्यान, द पुअर बॉय, द हॉनेस्ट बॉय, ओके, मनोरमा जी महापात्रा। अब ये देखिए कितनी स्टोरियां हमारे पास में आई हैं। इस समय एक असाइनमेंट दिया आपको कि स्टोरी टेलिंग, आप अपनी स्टोरी बनाकर भेजिए। लगभग 100 से अधिक स्टोरी यहाँ प्राप्त हुई है, और सारी की सारी वो विद्या भारती पाठशाला की वेबसाइट पर जाने वाली है, तो देश भर के बच्चे उसको सुनने वाले हैं आपकी स्टोरी को। और इसी प्रकार बहुत बढ़िया, चंद्रपाल जी हो गए, हेमलता जी, इंस्पायरिंग, ओके ठीक है, धन्यवाद। हम लोग सतर्क होकर स्टोरी सुने और उसको, उसके शब्द को पकड़े, ये इसके पीछे का भाव है। ऐसे ही इंटरनेट पर भी कई इस प्रकार की साइट रहती है जहाँ सबटाइटल होते हैं। जैसे अभी रामायण चल रही थी, रामायण के नीचे सबटाइटल थे, वो चलाई इसलिए थी कि आप उस सबटाइटल को देखें, उसको पढ़े और पढ़ते जाए, लगातार बोलते जाए। बोलने से हमारी फ्लुएंसी आती है, हम शब्दों को पकड़ पाते हैं। निश्चित रूप से इसी प्रकार वॉइस ऑफ अमेरिका की जो साइट है उस पर भी ये सारा मटेरियल मिल जाता है। और सीधे ही मैं सामस द्वारा जो है सबको निवेदन करता हूँ कि वो इस सत्र को प्रारंभ करें। नमस्कार।
धन्यवाद राकेश जी। आज हम फिर कम्युनिकेटिव कॉम्पिटेंस के एक वर्क फॉर्म देखेंगे। उसका जो है कैसे कम्युनिकेशन में लाना है, कैसे प्रपोजिशंस करना है। ये तो आपको मालूम है प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट क्या होता है, ग्रामर के तहत आप सीख लिए हैं। इट्स नॉट न्यू टू यू, बट हाउ टू अप्लाई इट टू एवरीडे लाइफ, how to put it to conversation, how to put it to communication. That's the problem that we are facing, and that is why we would try to focus on this part of the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. You can write it down, and the grouping is like that of simple present. I, we, you, they in one grouping. The upper grouping you can write I, we, you, they, and have. With all these we use have, H-A-V-E. And down you can write the third person singular, he, she, it. And has, H-A-S, has. And past participle form is used, V3 form, V3. Go, went, gone. Gone is used. Sleep, slept, slept. Speak, spoke, spoken. V3 forms are used here. I have gone, we have gone, they have gone, where they have gone, where have they gone. You can put have in the have not, have, and auxiliary verb as it was like that only. And with third person singular, he has seen a picture, he has watched TV, he has gone to some place, he hasn't gone, has he gone, where has he gone, what has he seen, like that. First and second persons have, third person singular has, very good. Third person singular has, hasn't, has not or hasn't, have not or haven't. This present perfect is used just completed actions. I am writing something, I have written. Before past form and before continuous form, this present perfect is used. And also the actions which have taken place in the past and which has present relevance. Present relevance, R-E-L-E-V-A-N-C-E. I have seen a doctor. Suppose I say like that. That means I saw a doctor, we don't say. I have seen a doctor, we say. That means the doctor seeing, he gives a prescription and you are using the medicine now. And that relevance is still now. Then we use this present perfect tense for past actions which have present relevance. I have gone. After going there, I went there also you can say. And I have gone. What is the difference between these two? I went means in the past it has happened. It has nothing to do with the present. And I have gone means something you have done which has present reference, present relevance. So in that cases we use this present perfect. That is what we call 2 or 3 usages are there for this. Just completed actions, past completed actions which have present relevance with people, object, actions, processes. All these things we use this. And like that WH pronouns also used. Where have you been? What have you done? What have you done? Have you done or not? Has he done or not? What has he done? As the prepositions and question answers, yes, I did. It becomes again past, I have done. That is present perfect. Like this, have, has, and all this. What has, where has, how has he gone? Why has he gone? Why has she gone? Why has she slept? Any verb you can use, V3 form you have to use, V3. Then you can make some propositions on this for the present perfect. Okay, this is used for past. I have seen, I have gone, I have slept for a while, I have slept. वो नींद का जो है अभी उसका इफेक्ट रहता है. I have eaten something, I ate something, I have eaten something, I have gone somewhere, I have seen some person. So V3 form is used. Like that you can use this present perfect. राकेश आपके पास जो है ना वो दिखाइए थोड़ा. राकेश जी. हाँ, नरेंद्र चास्ता. We are making some screen sharing. Just you go through it. I want to bring some important points to you regarding communication skills. Have, has, be, correct. राकेश जी आपको भी भेजा मैं आपके सेल फोन.
जी 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 भाई साहब.
वेरी गुड. थोड़ा बड़ा करना है इसको, दिखाइए. Again it is not clear.
नरेश जी हो रहा है क्लियर?
अभी नहीं हो रहा भाई. अभी नहीं आ रहा.
एक मिनट. ये है वैसा.
हाँ वो ये है.
कल्चरल
थोड़ा बड़ा हो
नॉलेज.
सकता है.
ये फुल है वैसे, फिर वो बाहर हो जाएगा. बाकी ये लोग अपने हाथों से जूम कर लेंगे. ये बाकी सब लोग अपनी उंगलियों से उसको बड़ा छोटा कर सकते हैं.
So
आप
you see,
अपनी उंगलियों से, फिंगर से, दोनों फिंगर से इसको छोटा बड़ा करके देखिए.
this is what we call relationship of domains of communicative competence. Linguistic competence you are having, but you have to develop communicative competence. What is the perfect domains in that? Perfect domains in the communicative competence. First one, the top you can see culture knowledge, because we are learning English as L2, second language. In any country, L1 is mother tongue, and we are learning as second language. So cultural knowledge is very important. That is what we call encyclopedia. This country has got some culture, and it is to be imbibed in the communication also. This is what we call culture knowledge. What can I बोल सकते हैं अपन? English culture you don't bring here. Westernization we don't bring here. We take the culture into our confidence. That is what we call culture knowledge. Whatever the experience that the children gain in L1 is to be utilized in L2 speaking. L1 जैसे मातृभाषा में जितने भी experiences आते हैं, based on the culture, that are to be taken into first domain. That is first domain. In that only you have to select the content. So content is so designed. So English content you need not enter into this. You need not talk about English content. You can develop our own content, Indian content. This is what we call Indianizing English. We are going to develop our own content. जैसे रामायण की, महाभारत की, the cultural values हैं उसके द्वारा से अपन content develop कर लेना. There is no bar on that. I mean the rhymes also we are not teaching those rhymes. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall, which have no meaning, no relevance to our culture. And we have discarded them. And we have developed our own rhymes. Through that, the phonics or phonology is being practiced. So like that, content is to be developed depending on the culture knowledge. Then language knowledge, how it is to be expressed. We should have English as we are practicing vocabulary, sentences, grammar. This language knowledge is also very important. Knowledge, I am talking about knowledge. It's not skill. Once you get the knowledge or the competencies, then you can convert it to skill, keeping in view of the content domain, culture domain and content domain. Keeping culture in your knowledge, cultural knowledge in your mind, you have to develop the content, and you should know how to use it in English language knowledge. Language knowledge is also important. And in a particular context, already I have told to you, all propositions are context based, making sense of some references. Social groupings, the context. There, how communicative competence develops. So content and context both are important in this. You have to develop the content on the basis of culture, and you have to have some knowledge, vocabulary, sentence structures, and all those things. According to the context, you have to use context, संदर्भ. संदर्भ के लिहाज से जो है communicative competence आता है. Content is also very important. Context, that is what we are talking about pragmatic language. Pragmatics is context based. Context based meanings also will change. Even in the lessons also, all the meanings that are given are in that particular context only. Go has got 72 types of meaning. What are you going to be? Where are you going? This going is different from that going. So like that context, according to the context, we are going to develop our communicative competence. Three things are needed. That is ultimately use of the language is very important. Linguistic competence you are having. You know many words, you know much of grammar. There is no context. Rama killed Ravana बोले तो कभी हुआ वो. अब भी रटने की क्या जरूरत है? How can you improvise that? How can you use it now? According to the context, that is what we call passivization. So like that, this is what we call language use is also very important. So these are the relationships between domains of communicative competence. Isn't it? Communicative competence, pragmatic competence. You might be having linguistic competence that is to be converted to pragmatic competence, keeping in view of propositions. Every day we are trying. We know what is present perfect. As a part of grammar, we have learned it. As a part of communication, we are learned it. And we are practicing it as a part of communication. Has he? Hasn't he? Where has he? What has he? Have you? Haven't you? Where have you been? Like this, how to use in particular context, everyday language. You know present perfect well, but how to use it in everyday language, that we are practicing. So these are the different domains as per the competence and use. Use is very important. Pragmatics insists on use of the language. Unless and until you use the vocabulary, there is no meaning in it. Even the phrases, even the clauses, even the sentences, even the utterances. When you use only, it becomes your own language. High language that we have developed. High grammar. Doctor's grammar is different. Engineer's grammar is different. Engineer's communication is different. Teacher's communication is different. That is known as high language. We have to develop our own language, keeping in view of all the domains which are working to develop this, and we have to change, Indianize English. That is what is expected. Culture is to be imbibed. It should not be disturbed. Western culture is to be avoided. Wherever, already I told to you, Jim Corbett, all these names you can replace. Content, culture-oriented content has to be developed. Then only the children can understand. L1 is to be utilized. L1 experiences. हिंदी में जितने भी experiences हैं, उसको English में use कर लेना. Then only interaction can be developed. Interaction is possible. So like that, these are the 4 domains in which this thing is to be developed. And interpersonal skills, interpersonal competence also to be developed. Headmaster to teacher, teacher to student, interpersonal competencies, interpersonal communication, parent to headmaster, parent to teacher, situations. When you go to the bus stand, what is the vocabulary used there? When you go to the bank, what is the vocabulary used there? When you give certain signs, SIGN, signs, danger करके एक साइन रहता है, उसका क्या माने है रखने का? No parking, that is a sign, that is a caption. What the children understand with that? So this is actually the language that we are going to teach, and you might have understood this. If any doubts are there, you can ask me.
धन्यवाद भाई साहब। ये कोई प्रश्न हो हमारे भाई सबसे, प्रश्न हम पूछ सकते हैं। मैं आपको अनम्यूट करने की अनुमति दे रहा हूं, आप अनम्यूट कर सकते हैं अपने आप को और प्रश्न पूछ सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन कुछ चैट बॉक्स में भी लिख सकते हैं अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही हो तो। ओके, जब तक सोचिए आप प्रश्न। आज के सेशन में हमारे संभा शिवाराव जी भाई साहब ने जो विषय रखा है, उनको जो अपना एक क्रम है एक्सप्लेन करना, हमने क्या आज कोई जो तय है कि हाँ मैं बोलूँगा, ऐसा हैंड राइज कर दीजिए या यस लिख दीजिए, मैं आए ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं। उनको आज के सेशन में भाई साहब ने क्या क्या विषय रखा उसको एक्सप्लेन करना, उनको बताना, विस्तार देना उसको। चैट बॉक्स में लिख दीजिए। आप सब लोग हैं ना, मतलब है ना का अर्थ है यस यस, रिस्पॉन्स कीजिए जी।
तो नया है, टॉपिक्स नए रहते हैं, इसलिए थोड़ा मुश्किल है।
जी जी, चलिए, नहीं तो मैं बताता हूँ किन्ने बोलना है, इसके लिए तैयार हैं? आप चैट बॉक्स में लिखेंगे। चलिए,
Okay, I shall tell you one situation in which you have to develop language. Hospital, you take hospital.
यस सर। सोनू जी ने लिखा है कि मैं बोलूंगी। यस सोनू जी। अनम्यूट कीजिए।
यस सर, गुड इवनिंग सर।
गुड
हाँ जी
इवनिंग।
सर, कर लिया। हाँ जी सर, मेरी आवाज सुन रही है?
हाँ
यस
आ
यस
रही
यस।
है, बोलिए, आराम से।
हेलो हेलो।
हाँ
हाँ जी सर,
बोलिए।
today sir had told us about present perfect tense and also the use of has and have, and how to use make propositions from has and have. They also show us a table regarding culture knowledge, language knowledge, and the use of language and how to use it by relating to content and context.
What is the context? What is content? Content क्या होता है?
Content, that is content, जैसे सर हम culture से भी ले सकते हैं, that is to be regarding to the culture and language. But context means sandarbh, material, vocabulary. Pragmatics are also related to context. Am I right, sir?
हाँ, correct.
Okay, thank you, sir.
ओके, सोनू दीदी जी हमारी मलय कोटरा से जुड़ी हुई हैं। कोई और बताना चाहेंगे? अनम्यूट होइए, अनम्यूट।
एक बात भी बोल सकते हैं। व्हाट इज कल्चर, व्हाट इज कंटेंट, व्हाट इज कॉन्टेक्स्ट। एक के इसमें भी बोल सकते हैं। व्हाट इज कम्युनिकेटिव कॉम्पिटेंस, व्हाट इज लिंग्विस्टिक कॉम्पिटेंस। जो टेक्निकल वर्ड्स है उसका आपके समझ में आना चाहिए। कैन एनीबॉडी? बोलते रहना थोड़ा अभी साथ रहना।
श्वेता वर्मा जी बोलना चाहेंगे? श्वेता वर्मा जी अनम्यूट कीजिए। श्रवण कुमार साहू जी बोलेंगे? यस, श्रवण कुमार साहू जी अनम्यूट कीजिए। रमाकांत राणा जी और स्मिता मराठा जी, आप भी अनम्यूट कर लीजिए जी। अब आपको बताना है आज के सेशन में क्या। चलिए कोई बात नहीं, एक गेम होगा भी। गेम के बाद फिर आप लोग थोड़ा प्रश्नोत्तरी पर आएंगे। यस, गेम खेलें। कन्वर्सेशन का जो भाई साहब ने बताया कि हमें क्या क्या ध्यान रखना है उसको लेकर। यस अर्षिता।
Hello everyone. Today we would be playing a game, parent-teacher conversation. So in that, suppose the first participant would choose a teacher from rest of the participant and they would have a conversation, 5 to 6 sentences. Then they would pass their task to the other. Means the third participant would again choose another participant from the rest of the participants and again they would have a parent-teacher conversation. One would become a parent and one would become a teacher. And the parent should choose their own teacher. Means they would be selecting a particular person as their teacher. I hope everyone got it.
ओके, थैंक यू अर्षिता। पर मुझे लगता है इतना तेज बता गई कि समझ में नहीं आया क्या खेलना है। खेल ऐसा है कि 5 ग्रुप बनेंगे। अभी ब्रेकआउट रूम हो गए, 5 रूम में हम लोग शिफ्ट हो जाएंगे। कृपया आपके पास में एक लिंक आएगी, आप उसको ज्वाइन कर दीजिएगा तो आप अपने अपने रूम में चले जाएंगे। और 10-10 के रूम हो गए, उन रूम में पेरेंट्स टीचर कन्वर्सेशन यह होगा। और पेरेंट्स पहले बोलेंगे और वो अपना टीचर तय करेंगे, नॉमिनेट करेंगे कि मेरे टीचर ये होंगे, इनने आंसर देना है। उन 10 में से आप चुन लीजिएगा एक नाम। ग्रुप लीडर इसको मैनेज करेंगे कैसे उसको करना है। और पेरेंट्स प्रश्न पूछेंगे 5, उसके उत्तर टीचर्स ने देने हैं। बहुत इजी है। ये भी 1 बाय 1 भी हो सकता है, एक प्रश्न एक उत्तर, एक क्वेश्चन एक आंसर। अथवा ये भी हो सकता है कि ये 5 क्वेश्चन एक साथ बोलकर 5 आंसर वो एक साथ दें। पर गुड आफ्टरनून, थैंक यू, सिट डाउन, और ये उसमें उसमें क्वेश्चन में नहीं आएंगे। ये तो जनरल अवेयरनेस के वर्ड्स हैं, इनको छोड़ देंगे। ओके राजकुमार जी, रेडी? आपको कोई कंफ्यूजन?
नो कंफ्यूजन।
बाकी सबको कंफ्यूजन तो नहीं है? चैट बॉक्स में लिखिए यस, समझ में आ गया। लीडर चुन लीजिएगा और आकर फिर अपने लीडर अनुभव बताएंगे। लीडर कौन होंगे? चैट बॉक्स में लिखिए यस आई लीड द गेम। ये चैट बॉक्स डिसेबल है क्या कि
नहीं भाई साहब।
अच्छा, चैट बॉक्स में लिखिए, लिखिए यस, लिखिए लीडर कौन होंगे? यस, वाह, सुरेंद्र नाथ जी बहरा लिख रहे हैं। ओके, आप लोग सेंटेंस वो के वीटीडी जाते से लीड शुरू करिए और निश्चित बाकी लोग यस यस। खेल समझ में आ गया? टीचर पेरेंट्स कन्वर्सेशन, पेरेंट्स ने टीचर तय करना, पासिंग द बॉल जब कल अपन ने खेला था, टीचर तय करेंगे कि पेरेंट्स तय करेंगे कि मेरे टीचर कौन होंगे, उनसे 5 क्वेश्चन के आंसर ये कन्वर्सेशन में होंगे। एंजॉय कीजिए, आप आनंद लीजिए इस पूरे गेम का। यस राजकुमार जी,
यस भाई साहब।
वीडियो ऑडियो ऑन रखिएगा सब लोग कृपया और भाग लीजिए।
वीडियो ऑडियो ऑन करो।
वीडियो ऑन कीजिए, ऑडियो ऑन कीजिए। आप अपने अपने रूम में जा रहे हैं, ज्वाइन पर क्लिक कर दीजिए, ज्वाइन को क्लिक कर दीजिए।
Yes, I am Subhash Kale. Who is leader now? Who is leader? Hello. Hello.
हेलो
Hello.
हेलो
Hello.
हेलो
Yes.
क्वेश्चन प्लीज।
Which type of question?
हेलो
Tell me. Who is leader?
आई डोंट नो।
And who is teacher and the parents?
Hello.
Hello. Is it game start?
Yes.
So who are parents and who are teachers and who
You
are
are.
leader
Yes. I am parents.
and who is teacher?
Mm, yes. Uh, I don't know who is teachers in
Suppose
this
I am
program. Yes.
only two persons are there.
Uh,
Anybody?
no. I only one in this place.
Who are you? What is your name?
Mamta Pati.
Namta, you are parents. Suppose I am teacher.
Yes. Question, please.
And then the question is regarding coronavirus. There is problems in schools for economic problems. So please, why you are not paying fees for your children? Please tell me.
Yes. Yes. I do some private institute. I cannot pay in this school for my child's dues.
For why? I am teaching online classes. Your children is also taught very much. He learned something very different ideas and different looks for learning process. So it's a very nice and it's a very interesting to learn something and interesting to very enjoyable moment for us. And why you are not paying your first installment? So
Uh,
please, there is a
excuse me, I am very poor person in our house.
Hmm.
Um, I have brother-in-law and sister-in-law in our house, but I cannot pay dues for my child in the school. It's your teaching learning process is very suitable and comfortable in our in for my child, but I cannot pay my I cannot payment I cannot pay in your school.
So, but you know that our there is a teachers in our school. Why get how get we get our income? So the only income is that school salary. So the principal and the management would not pay salary. So why it is our why how can we survive our life without salary? We cannot.
In class 1 to 5.
Your child, your daughter is how class?
My daughter reads in nursery. My daughter reads in nursery.
English medium. Your school. Saraswati Sishu Mandir.
Hi, English medium.
Okay. Okay. Meghna ji, please tell me what is your life?
Didi,
Ever, what is your what is your
Repeat.
family members? Please tell me about.
Question reply?
What is your family member? What are your family members?
My family members have mother-in-law. देवर को क्या बोलते हैं?
What is your Mr. doing?
What is your Mr. doing? Sir,
Of
what
my
is your
my husband is a principal in private school.
very good? Thank you very much. Okay.
Okay. So, Didi, where do you live?
I am living in Odisha, in Kotak.
Odisha in Cuttack.
Okay, may I ask question to Meghna Khadwala Didi?
Our
Ji, Lakshmi.
state is Odisha, near about Bhubaneswar.
Okay. Bhubaneswar.
Yes. I want to speak with Meghna Khadwala Didi.
Ji.
Ma'am, I am a parent. You are my teacher.
Yes.
I want to ask a question. My daughter is not so good in study. What I do?
What I do?
मेघना जी पूछिए, आप पूछिए, आपका फैमिली मेंबर का
My daughter is not so good in study. What can I do?
Parents will be care.
You love
Yes,
him. Love her very much. You love him. Please, Meghna ji, your child is naughty. You love very much.
Okay. Parents take care of your daughter every time, and as his homework.
Mother is a good teacher.
Mother is a good teacher. Mother. Yes. Mother is a good teacher.
You take care of her child.
Take care of her child. Anytime, any work.
Okay. My daughter is not got good marks in maths. What can I do?
Good in maths. What can
Please, you take care of child again and again. Practice the homework again and again. Meghna ji, your child is very good.
Objects to understand the mathematics.
You practice homework or classwork repeatedly. Then
Practical method will help daughter.
so good.
Practical mathematics will help your daughter.
Practical mathematics will have your daughter. Many types of TLM.
Our mathematics is no good.
Yes.
Mathematics is very.
My one question.
Our mathematics is very low.
Yes.
No.
Meghna ji, our
mathematics
is low or good?
Mathematics. My mathematics is good.
Your child.
अभी सी इज लर्निंग पीरियड, सीख रही है।
I have one question also.
Any doubt, you will solve it. Please.
Yes.
Any doubt, your child, any doubt, you solve it.
Yes, I solve it.
Different talent or different things, doing different things. Then you solve it.
Ma'am, may I ask a question?
Which class does she teach? Which class your daughter is reading?
Question reply.
Ma'am, may I ask question?
Yes,
क्या
yes.
बोलिए मेघना जी?
I send my child regularly in the school, but she hasn't manner. How it will come? I send regularly my child in school, but she hasn't manner. She is talking very fast and loudly. What can I do?
मेघना जी? Speak again.
I send my child regularly in school, but she hasn't manner. What can I do?
मेघना जी?
हाँ.
Child
Ask manners better at home.
actually child nature is very funny. You present it and take care your child and you solve it politely. You love your child very much. You समझाइए your child. Then she obey your one.
ओके, बाकी लोग भी भाग लीजिए भाई। कवेंद्र सिंह जी, सुप्रिया पटनायक जी, यस, योर टर्न ऑन द योर साउंड वॉइस, या कंटिन्यू। कंटिन्यू दीदी, कंटिन्यू। कवेंद्र सिंह जी, अनम्यूट।
मेघना जी?
हाँ, yes.
What is your child like to?
She like playing.
Then
She likes playing toys, dancing, singing.
okay.
ये कोई BTD ये दीदी कौन है? ये भी अनम्यूट कीजिए दीदी। दीदी,
Future. What is your aim of your child in future? मेघना जी?
हाँ, yes, yes, बोल रही हूँ। I want. My daughter want to be a doctor in future.
Why?
My daughter.
You want to be a doctor, not anyone.